Mr. Sisu has his finish kit, which again, like, I love seeing, we've talked about this in previous Royce My Kit series. I appreciate the dedication of people that buy overseas stuff that isn't, you know, American or Russian, because it's just kind of hard to find and to be able to make it look good. So I love that he's got like everything in that pattern, and like this just looks like it would blend in so well in the Northeast. Like, you know, it's got that green, a little bit of tan that kind of looks like the dirt around here. Like, I think that this is absolutely sick. The one thing that I'm curious about is what gun do you run with this? Like, I see a little bit of a stock in the corner there, but I think this looks awesome, and scrim always makes a helmet look better. So this is going to be filed under one of those things where I don't know where any of this is, but I think it is super cool.